Okay. I'm trying to build the courage right now. Alright. You think I should section it? Should I section it first? Alright, I'll be right back. Guys, hi. Welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am doing a big chop. And right now my hair is in a ponytail. I did wet it a little bit because I didn't have any product on it yesterday. Or at least I didn't put any product on it yesterday. I know I'm about to get a lot of people asking me like, why are you doing a big chop? I think I've explained this enough on my Instagram, but this is a different world. So, all right. I big chop back in 2015. So I'm 4 years natural now, finally. And I feel like my 2-year length is definitely longer than the length that I am now. All right, yeah, weird. Okay, so pretty much I have not been retaining length the way that I should. I also allowed the stylist to do this U part, kind of wig on my hair and straighten my hair. And I ended up doing the big chop. But not a full big chop. I did a big chop right here at the section of my hair because it was heat damage. And I felt like I should have just big chopped the whole thing, or at least I could have transitioned for real. But I didn't do any of that. I also colored my hair. I did the rice water challenge. I was just doing too much on my hair, and I was doing styles that were a little bit too much for me because I don't know, I just felt like I needed something different, but I really didn't. And mind you, I was on a healthy hair journey. I'm sorry. I was on a healthy hair journey, and I guess it wasn't too healthy of a journey because obviously I'm not at the length that I want to be. So I just feel like I should start all over because I really don't have time to be babysitting natural, not natural hair, but damaged hair. Yeah, back to the rice water. So the rice water was a little bit too much on my hair. I didn't really do a lot of research on it. I was just like, rice water, say less. I want my hair to grow, turn up. But that was a little bit too much protein for me, personally. Did grow my hair, but it definitely made my hair a little bit more coarse than what it usually is, which is a problem. And a lot of people would say like, how would you just do a trim? Like, you don't need to cut too much of your hair off, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, yeah, it is what it is. Like, I don't mind cutting all my hair off because I liked it short. And I also want to take you guys on this journey with me. So that's like the biggest thing for real. I really want you guys to be on this journey with me. And I feel like I just needed a fresh start. I needed something new in my life. And I feel like cutting my hair is the only thing that I can control right now. And I can do immediately. So, I'm gonna cut it. And let me show y'all my hair. Okay. So I believe I'm a 4A right now. My texture is a 4A. And my shrinkage is the most disrespectful shrinkage you'll probably ever. Honestly, no, I've seen worse shrinkage. So let me just shut up and stop being dramatic. But so my hair is here, and this is the hair that I cut, but it's finally growing back, and it's here, and it's funny because this length is down here. You see what I mean? So it's finally trying to grow back and do its thing. The middle of my head has been the hardest thing to grow, but the longest is the back. But it's so weird because I did measure my hair, and honestly my hair all over is the same daggone length. So maybe I'm just tripping. You know, it's when it's layered, it looks like the back is gonna grow. Really, it's not like that. It's not like that at all. I'm really about to cut my hair. I'm trying to build the courage right now. Alright. You think I should section it? Should I section it first? begin. Let's begin. Ben. Hold on, y'all. I need to go in the bathroom real quick because I need to spray some water on this, get my curls back. I'll be right back.